Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make oregano oil with fresh oregano. First, select fresh oregano sprigs and a high-quality carrier oil like olive or almond oil. Ensure your glass jar is sterilized and completely dry. Wash the oregano thoroughly under cool water, then pat it completely dry with a clean towel. Bruise the leaves gently to help release their aromatic compounds, preparing them for infusion. Next, carefully place the prepared oregano into your clean glass jar. Pour your chosen carrier oil over the oregano, ensuring all plant material is fully submerged. This prevents air exposure and potential spoilage. Seal the jar tightly with its lid. Give the jar a gentle shake to ensure the oregano is well distributed within the oil, starting the infusion process. Now, store your sealed jar in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Allow the oregano to steep for 2 to 3 weeks, letting the oil absorb its beneficial properties. Remember to shake the jar gently once a day to aid in the extraction process. After steeping, strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean, dark glass bottle, discarding the plant material. Finally, store your finished oregano oil in a dark, airtight glass bottle to protect it from light and air, which can degrade its quality. Keeping it in a cool, dark place like a pantry will help maintain its potency for several months. This ensures you have fresh, potent oregano oil whenever you need it. Also, check the description below for links to this product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.